Easily add audio narration to your Chromebook videos with the Narrate tool. From the video editor, click the Narrate button on the toolbar. You can choose whether you would like to keep your original video audio. Use this toggle to remove it. Next, click on the area of the timeline where you want to add your narration, and then click Record. A red highlight will appear on the timeline, indicating that narration is being recorded over your video. To stop narrating, click Pause. You can add audio narration anywhere along your video timeline. Just click Record to continue with your narration. To preview your narration, click this button. If you are happy with your narration, click Done. To remove your narration and start over, just click Cancel. Use Narrate to add voice and personality to your videos with ScreenPal.